Meaning of good.
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 Good. Good is a subjective term that refers to something that is desirable, beneficial, or satisfying. It is a quality that is often associated with positive outcomes, including well-being, success, and happiness. The concept of good can be applied to a wide range of contexts, including personal relationships, work performance, and ethical behavior. It is often used as a measure of quality and excellence, and is valued by individuals and society as a whole. Ultimately, the definition of good may vary depending on cultural, social, and individual perspectives.